And we have an American idiom for that I'd like to share with you. Flying solo. Normally, I do this podcast with my wife. There are two of us. But because it's just me today, I can say, my wife is not with me today. Today, I'm flying solo. To be flying solo means to be doing something on your own when usually, or in the past, you were always doing it with someone else. So this is a great idiom for anyone who is married and who usually goes to gatherings or does something with their spouse, or even who's always going somewhere with a good friend, and then you show up one day to a party, you show up to a social gathering, or even to a work context, and people say, "Where's your wife?" or "Where's your husband?" or "Where's your friend who's always with you?" And then you can say, "They couldn't make it today. Today I'm flying solo."